Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of logging into the Mahaswayam Portal for 2025. Follow these step-by-step instructions to make sure you can access all the services and opportunities provided by the Mahaswayam platform effectively. Step 1. Open your web browser. Start by launching your preferred web browser on your device. Ensure that you are connected to the internet for smooth access. Step 2. Navigate to the Mahaswayam portal. In the address bar, type in the official website URL, rojgar.mahaswayam.gov.in. Press Enter to load the page. Step 3. Locate the login section. Once the portal loads, scroll down the home page until you find the login section. This is usually prominently displayed for user convenience. Step 4. Enter your credentials. In the login section, you will see fields where you need to enter your credentials. Input your username and password carefully. Ensure there are no typing errors. Step 5. Additional security measures. If prompted, complete any additional security checks, such as CAPTCHA or other verification prompts, to ensure that your login attempt is secure. Step 6. Click on the login button. After entering your credentials and completing any additional security requirements, click on the Login button. This will proceed to authenticate your details. Step 7. Accessing your dashboard. Once you are successfully logged in, you will be directed to your personal dashboard. Here, you can explore various services like job listings, skill development programs, and other resources available on the Mahaswayam portal. Step 8. Log out after use. Remember to log out of your account after you finish using the portal, especially if you are accessing it from a public or shared device. You can find the logout option usually at the top right corner of the page. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides and tutorials.